I gave AI $100 to start a business. Here's what happened. I just spent $100 to let AI start a business, and I'm letting it run everything. No human ideas, no manual decisions. AI is calling all the shots. Will this actually work, or is this just throwing money away? Let's find out. AI is everywhere now, but can it actually build a business from scratch? We decided to put it to the ultimate test. We wanted to see if AI could handle everything from branding to content creation. We gave AI a $100 budget to access chatbots, video generators, and Canva. The goal? To create a fully functional business without any human intervention. Could AI deliver, or would our experiment crash and burn? After analyzing different ways to make money, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, freelancing, AI chose content creation. It weighed the pros and cons of each option before making its decision. Why content creation? Because it can be monetized fast with ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Plus, AI can generate everything from scripts to full videos, making it the perfect fit for our experiment. AI determined that content creation offered the quickest path to revenue generation. It considered factors like scalability, ease of automation, and potential for rapid growth. With the $100 budget, AI generated scripts, voiceovers, and even videos. It also designed a logo and social media branding using Canva. Every element was crafted by AI, from the color palette to the font choices. We just uploaded the content. That's it. AI was completely in control. We provided the tools and the budget, and AI took care of the rest. It was a truly hands-off experience. The AI utilized its resources to create a cohesive brand identity. It aimed for a professional and engaging look that would resonate with the target audience. So, did AI make any money? Not yet, but it's just getting started. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is an AI-powered business. We're in it for the long haul. This was our first real test. Now we scale it up, more content, more strategies, and more ways to automate income. We're excited to see what the future holds. Follow to see if AI actually succeeds, or if this was just a waste of time. We'll be documenting every step of the journey, sharing our successes and failures along the way. Ready to see if AI can actually build a successful business? Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our AI-powered experiment. We'll be posting regular updates, sharing our insights, and revealing the financial results. Don't miss out on this exciting journey. Leave a comment below with your predictions. Do you think AI will succeed, or will it all fall apart? Let us know what you think.